Hello, this is my submission for Lab 6, Propositional Logic. So for preliminary questions, an interpretation is an assignment of values to all atomic parts of an expression. And a model is when that assignment of values satisfies all the constraints. So for example, if you have an expression made up of several parts, and you assign values to those parts, the whole expression evaluates to true when it is a model. A proposition is entailed by a knowledge base when every assignment that makes the knowledge base true also makes the proposition true. A proof of procedure is sound when the fact that it can be derived from a knowledge base implies it is a logical consequence of said knowledge base. And proof of procedure is complete when the opposite is true. So when the fact that it is a logical consequence implies that it can be derived from a knowledge base. Question 2, we're given a knowledge base and asked which of these interpretations are models. So interpretation 1 is not a model because C is false. If C is false, the knowledge base is not true. Interpretation 2 is not a model because C is true and D is false, which makes C implies D, the statement here, false. Interpretation 3, similar thing, B is true, A is false. B implies A is false, so the knowledge base is false. And then interpretation 4 is a model. So B implies A is good, C implies D is good, and C is true. And then last question, which of the following are true? So we are trying to see which of these particles are a logical consequence of the knowledge base. In order to do that, we have to show that for all assignments of values that make the knowledge base true, that particle is also true. And we could also show the opposite. We could show that it is not a logical consequence by showing that there exists some assignment that makes the knowledge base true and the particle false. So that's what we're going to do for A. So A is not a logical consequence of the knowledge base as shown in this example, right? So this assignment of values makes the knowledge base true, but A is false. Similar thing with B, this assignment of values makes the knowledge base true, but makes B false. Now C is a logical consequence of the knowledge base due to this part right here. So C has to be true in order for the knowledge base to be true. So whenever knowledge base is true, C is true. And D is also a logical consequence of the knowledge base due to this statement. So we know that C is always true when the knowledge base is true, and if C, then D. So D is always true when the knowledge base is true. And that's it. Thank you.